Most people believe wealth requires high income. They chase bigger salaries. They work long, hard hours. This path seems clear, very logical. But a hidden force quietly shapes fortunes. It operates beyond mere earnings. It disrupts typical financial beliefs. This secret mechanism builds true power. It does not demand constant effort. Instead, it asks for something else. It asks for your trust. It demands your patience. It leverages the silent advantage. This advantage is always available. Yet few truly master its use. It determines financial destiny. Understanding it changes everything. Consider your daily life. You exchange your time for money. You trade hours for a paycheck. This feels like the only way. But this exchange has limits. Your personal hours are finite. You cannot work endlessly. A different approach exists. This path frees your hours. It multiplies your resources. It unlocks a silent engine. This engine is not about earning. It is about how money asterisk works asterisk. It uses a profound element. This element is always flowing. It is always present. It is the raw material of growth. We are talking about time. Time is the ultimate asset. It is the real currency of wealth. Think of two friends, Alex and Ben. Both earn $40,000. They are both 25 years old. Alex starts investing immediately. He puts $50 every week. That is $200 per month. He invests in a broad market fund. He earns an average 10% annually. He does this until age 65. Alex never increases his contributions. Ben also starts investing. But he waits 10 years. Ben begins at age 35. He also invests $200 monthly. He also earns 10% each year. He continues until age 65. Both invested the same amount monthly. Both got the same returns. But Alex had a 10-year head start. This small difference changes much. Alex invested for 40 years. Ben invested for 30 years. Let us look at their balances. Alex invested a total $96,000. His money grew for 40 years. At age 65, Alex has won $220,000. Ben invested a total $72,000. His money grew for 30 years. At age 65, Ben has $450,000. This is a profound difference. Alex invested $24,000 more, but he ended with $770,000 more. His initial delay cost Ben greatly. The gap is not linear. It is exponential. This is the power of time. It is not just length. It is also the asterisk start asterisk. This mechanism is called compounding. Money earns money. Then that new money also earns money. It is a continuous loop. Each cycle builds on the last. Like a snowball rolling downhill. It gathers more snow. It grows larger and faster. Time is the slope. Time is the distance. More time means more growth. Longer time means greater acceleration. Why do most people miss this? We are wired for immediate reward. Our brains seek instant gratification. Investing feels slow, far off. The future seems very distant. Small amounts feel insignificant. $50 weekly seems small. It does not feel like a lot. The early growth looks tiny. People often get discouraged. They stop before the magic begins. They want quick results instead. They want high risk, fast gains. But speed often brings volatility. It often brings huge losses. The true game is about patience. It is about consistent action. It is about letting time work. The real wealth is built slowly. It is built quietly. In the background. It accumulates unseen. It requires a long view. Think beyond next month. Think beyond next year. Think decades ahead. This shift changes everything. It changes your decisions today. Consider the cost of waiting. Every year you delay has a price. This price is often invisible. It is the future money you lose. It is money that could have grown. It is the potential wealth foregone. Many view time as free. They think it will always be there. But time is a non-renewable asset. You cannot get more of it. Once a year passes, It is gone. Its compounding potential vanishes. This principle extends beyond investing. It applies to skills. It applies to relationships. It applies to health. Small, consistent efforts compound. A little learning daily adds up. A small healthy habit compounds over years. The results are huge. Your body transforms. Your mind expands. Your relationships deepen. Time is the multiplier for all these. The financial system seems complex. It has many moving parts. Stocks, bonds, real estate, different strategies, countless experts. But the core truth is simple. The core engine is not complex. It is the consistent application of time. Time in the market. Not timing the market. Time is the friend of the diligent. Time is the enemy of the hesitant. Imagine two more scenarios. Sarah invests $10,000. She invests it only once. She is 25 years old. Her money grows at 10% annually. She never adds another dime. At age 65, she retires. Her $10,000 becomes $450,000. One simple decision. Made early. Now consider Michael. Michael saves $10,000. He keeps it in a savings account. It earns 0.1% interest. He is also 25 years old. He hopes to invest someday soon. 40 years later, he is 65. His $10,000 is still $10,000. The inflation has eaten its value. His purchasing power is much less. This illustrates the stark choice. You can let your money work. You can let time multiply it. Or you can let time erode it. Inflation silently eats away. It steals your future money. Investing helps you fight this. It puts time on your side. It turns a threat into power. The most valuable investing asset is not capital. It is not knowledge, though important. It is not even opportunity. The truly irreplaceable asset is time. It is the canvas for all growth. It is the soil for all compounding. It is the fuel for exponential returns. You have finite minutes. You have finite days. Using them wisely truly matters. Starting early matters most of all. Small beginnings yield huge endings. The system rewards patient investors. It truly rewards long-term vision. So, do not delay action. Do not chase quick riches. Do not underestimate small starts. Harness the power of time. It is the greatest financial force. It builds wealth silently. It builds wealth surely. Your financial future depends on this. Start today. Even small. Let time do its work.